Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Xbox One wired connection, pro guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering your equipment. Ensure you have an Xbox One console, an Ethernet cable, and a stable internet connection. Locate the Ethernet port on the back of your Xbox One. Connect one end of the Ethernet cable to this port. Now, find the Ethernet port on your modem or router. Plug the other end of the Ethernet cable into the modem or router. Turn on your Xbox One console. Wait for the dashboard to load completely. Navigate to the settings by pressing the Xbox button on your controller. Scroll down to the Settings option. Select General from the Settings menu. Then proceed to select Network Settings. Your Xbox One will automatically detect the wired connection. You should see a status message indicating that you are connected. If prompted, choose Test Network Speed and Statistics to ensure your connection is optimal. Review the statistics to confirm that everything is functioning well. Once you have verified the connection, you can exit the Settings menu. Your Xbox One is now set up for a wired internet connection. Enjoy your gaming experience with a stable connection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.